Here is a few staples at my house that I do use every day. Bag of Balm is one of them. Must have. And this is my foundation, B&B, Radical Finish, Coconut. And then I have Coconut Shimmer. Now that's a staple. And then we have the Cool Tan Concealer. That's a staple. We're going to start with the eyebrows with the brown pencil. We're just going to go up under your brow line to make your brows more precise on the bottom and the top. You're going to need a spoolie or a brush to brush your eyebrows to blend in the eyebrow pencil that you put on there. So you're going to brush it until you get your desired thickness of your eyebrows. We're going to make that eyebrow look like that eyebrow. Moving on to the next eyebrow. Lining your eyebrow underneath and on top for your desired thickness. This is just a soft beat, just for everyday look or a makeup, no makeup look. You're just going to get your eyebrows together. That is the main thing of your look every day is your eyes. So emphasize your eyes, ladies. It's always one that I like more than the other. But if you keep trying, you can get it. Just make sure that you try to get both to look the same. After you get it the way you want it, we're going to move on to the concealing process. You're going to line your eyebrows under and on top. I don't do the whole top, just the tail of the top. So the whole bottom you're going to line, you're going to highlight with your concealer, and you're going to emphasize your tail on the end of your eyebrow. And I don't have any fancy brushes or anything. I use my fingers most of the time, and I just pat it to blend it in with my skin tone. Just keep patting. You can use a brush if you have a brush, but I always have my fingers. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Continuing to the other side, lining the bottom and the tail end of my eyebrows, making them look the same as the other one. If there's a scar or anything that you don't want to see, you're going to use your concealer to cover that up. After you've got the concealer on there, you're just going to pat it and blend it into your skin. At this point, I just wipe off my concealer brush up under my eyes and down my nose and between my eyebrows. This will help your eyes stand out. Once you do your eyebrows, you're pretty much set to go. But there is one star in the game. If I wanted to do a full beat and just do my foundation, I would put the B&B on. But for today, we're just going to go with the Cocoa Shimmer from Vaseline. And we're just going to moisturize our face on the cheeks and down the nose. The Cocoa Shimmer feels so good to my skin. Moisturizing it as it feels good also is a great benefit. What sets off your look is your eyelashes. That is the star of the game, your eyelashes. I use the Envy eyeliner and glue pencil. Put it on your eyelash line. Pull your eye taut and put it on your eyelash line as close as you can to your eyelashes. And you can put a little bit on your eyelashes as well, making your line as thick as you want it because it's an eyeliner and a glue pencil at the same time. That's why I love it so. And you're just going to take your eyelash and just place it where you like it to lay. I like to start in the inner corners first and press it in to the eyelash line and then work my way on the outer edges. You're just going to squeeze your eyelashes, your natural lash with the false lashes, and it'll stick. Just push it up and squeeze it. If you have some that you see a space in between the two, put a little eyeliner glue pencil on that as well and press it together. You see the difference in the two? It makes a very big difference. We're going to move on to the next. Pulling your eye taut and making sure you are close to that eyelash line is key. So, and then you can put as much eyeliner glue you want on there so it can stay. Put your eyebrows up and pull your eyes taut. You're going to sit it on there first to see where you want it, and then you're going to press it into your glue line, starting in the inner circle. You can also use some tweezers. That would be better than using your fingers, but I didn't have time to look for all that stuff, so I'll use my fingers in most of my process on everything that I do. We're almost finished with our eyes. We have eyeliner now, which I like LA Girl green eyeliner. It's like a gold green, and it is so pretty. I like to use a green or a blue to make my eyes pop. It's better than using black all the time. I like the green or the blue. That's what we're doing, ladies, making our eyes pop, making them stand out, making them be seen. So the green or the blue eyeliner is fine. This one is a green one, LA Girl, gold green. Got it from CVS. So this is the green, you see it? Making them pop. After the face is complete, I try to get my edges together. And I like the Gorilla Snot Gel for the hold because my hair is natural. And I also like the Shine and Jam gel for the movement. So I mix the two together to do my edge line. Getting your edge brush and brushing your edges down with the Gorilla Snot and the Shine and Gel gives it a smooth, shiny finish, and it stays that way all day. Then I finish it off with a little bit of snot on top of my baby hairs and smooth those down. That is the makeup, no makeup look, ladies and gentlemen. It's just a soft beat for just the everyday look. And my hair is beautiful. And did somebody say, what about your hair? I did these dreads myself. I put the dreads on there, crocheted those on there, and created my look myself. I have them singled in the top and crocheted down the back. I also put the human hair ends on the end. There's some hair that I had left over that I wanted it to be longer and more and different. So I put human hair ends on the ends of the dreads, and they reach to my butt. So I love them. Y'all let me know if you want a detailed tutorial. I would do one. Leave me a comment in the comment box. Thank you.